In today's equity index futures market, let's look at the S&P 500 futures as they're experiencing some heavy selling pressure for a second session. S&P 500 futures currently down about 6%, right around the 5110 level, just above that 51 handle, lows of the session, as the markets are experiencing heavy selling pressure for a second session. Driving factors today, global trade concerns continue to ripple through the market, and that seems to be the primary factor as to why we're experiencing heavy selling pressure, not only here in the U.S., but from global perspective as well in the equity markets. And with that, economic growth is being called into question as far as the potential of slowing economy and therefore lower valuations in equities, and that's the primary driver as to why we're experiencing this heavy selling pressure for a second day now. Looking at the general trends with the S&P down here at these levels, this is the lowest level since May of last year. So we're basically at 11-month lows here today, holding on to this 5100 level. And looking at the other major equity index futures markets, they're all significantly lower on the session as well. And we're seeing them pushing down to multi-month lows, if not actually yearly lows when you look back at the early part of last year. So S&P 500 futures experiencing heavy selling pressure for a second day, down around that 5100 level and trading at the lowest level in almost a year.